We're going to show you how to make Mango Lassi, and these are the items needed. You will need yogurt. You can actually use the yogurt that you have made in our last tutorial. You need a portable blender and a mango. We're going to cut the mango into small pieces so that it is easily blended in the blender. We'll put some yogurt in. So after adding the yogurt, we'll put in the mango. Finally, we'll add some water. Next, let's blend the mixture together. Once the contents are mixed and blended, there you would have your Mango Lassi. Enjoy!